on WhatTheTech? Glad to have you back here. And today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Mavic Mini bundle. I was able to pick up this mini bundle at Costco for $389.99. So, without wasting any time, let's go ahead and look at this bundle and see what's inside this box. Alright, now that I've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box, you can see everything that comes here with the DJI Mavic Mini. To start off, you have the Mavic Mini drone, which is basically just put inside this little capsule thing, and you actually charge it there, which is pretty cool. You just go ahead and connect this wire to the base of this and connect it to the wall, and it should just start charging. Then you have the controller over here, which is also really cool. The controller actually expands, and I'll show you that in a bit. Comes with an extra battery. There's already a battery inside the drone when you open it. And then right here you have some extra analog sticks for the control. Right here you have a screwdriver. You have some extra propellers right here. And then you have 3 different connectors for the control based on whatever device you have. If you have an iPhone, here you have the lightning cable. If you have some other phone, you have the USB-C adapter, and then you have the micro USB adapter right here as well. So you can be assured that whatever phone you have, you will be able to use your drone. Taking a look at the control, you can see that it's pretty small. You have the analog sticks, which actually can be taken off rather easily, as you see right there. Then you have the antennas for the control, which are up top right here. They just extend like this. To extend the remote, you just pull on these, and they should easily extend, so you can hold it like this. You place your phone down here, connect one of the wires here, and then pull it through here, and then you should have your phone right here so that you can see what you're looking at on the drone. Looks pretty cool, pretty nice. And then you also have a micro USB port right here so that you can charge it. The battery itself is rather small, and on the packaging it says that they only last around 30 minutes, so I would probably recommend getting more batteries. Getting into the drone, we have this little capsule that it sits in. We can go ahead and open this. One thing to note is that it is equipped with a magnetic charger. As you can see, it is actually plugged in here, and if I just go ahead and put it on the stand, it'll just magnetically snap onto there, just to make things a lot more simple. Getting into the drone, you can see that it's very nice and small. It's very lightweight, so we'll go ahead and open this up so we can see the full extent of it. It's very small, as you can see. My hand is almost bigger than it, but I feel like it just feels very fragile. I don't want to touch it too much and break it because it was kind of expensive, almost 400 bucks. You can see the camera gimbal right here. You can just go ahead and take this off when you're ready to take flight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. To turn it on right here, you press it once and then hold it. So let's actually go ahead and get some clips of this thing in the air, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys a little montage of some clips that I was able to get.